Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to delete contacts in Gmail client. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to select this contact icon and now you just need to select the contact you want to delete it. For example, I just deleting this contact and after selecting the contact you just need to select the trash icon over here, delete from contacts. And now this contact will be permanently deleted from this account after 30 days. Select move to trash and now contact move to trash. That's all you have to do it guys. That's how you delete the contacts in Gmail account. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.